The topic for today is exercise 7.1 integration. Another name for this integration is antiderivatives. We shall be discussing NCERT class 12th maths. Now see, this is a list of the formulae which will be used in this exercise. I request you to pen them down on a paper and keep them right in front of you. As and when I'll be solving these questions, you have to go through these formulae. The first formula states that integration of a function which is in the form of x raised to power n will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is called the constant of integration. Now the basic thing is x power n, you increase the power by 1 and the same will go in the denominator n plus 1. Okay, second, integration of 1 will be x plus c, right? Now, integration of e power x will be e power x plus c. Integration of 1 upon x will be log modulus x plus c. Now, integration of ax plus b whole raised to the power n, it is similar to this formula. What you have to do is, in the numerator, you will get ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In addition, you have to write the coefficient of x, which is a, in the denominator. So, your answer is coming to be 1 upon a, ax plus b power n plus 1 whole upon n plus 1 plus c. Next formula, integration of sin x will be minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x will be sin x plus c. Integration of sec square x will be tan x plus c. And lastly, the integration of sec x tan x will be sec x plus c. Okay, now we begin with the exercise. The first question. What you are asked to do is find the integration of sin x sin 2x, right? The answer is coming to be minus 1 upon 2 cos of 2x. When I told you the formula, I told you that the integration of sin x is minus cos x, right? Now here you are having sin 2x. So what will be the answer? It will be minus cos 2x. When we used to do the derivative, the coefficient of x, which is 2 here, used to get multiplied by the answer. In the answer, you will multiply it by 2. But in integration, the coefficient of x, which is 2 here, will go in the denominator. It will be divided in the answer. So I repeat, because the integration of sin x is minus cos x, so the integration of sin 2x will be minus cos 2x plus. What you have to do is the coefficient of x, it will come here in the denominator. This is a simple answer to the first question. Now I would like to explain in relation to derivatives, because it is just the reverse of derivatives. Right, from this angle, see, if you have to calculate the derivative of minus 1 upon 2 cos of 2x, what will you do? Now coming back to derivatives, what will you do? Because minus 1 upon 2 is the coefficient of this function, this will get featured here in the answer like this, as it is minus 1 upon 2. Now what is the derivative of cos 2x? It is going to be minus sin 2x multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 2 here. Right? Now, if you simplify this answer, this minus will get cut by this minus. Okay, this 2 will get simplified by this 2. You are left with sin 2x. So, what is this? This is the question which was given to you here. Because the derivative of this statement is this answer, therefore, the integration of this sin 2x is going to be this. So this is how I am trying to tell you that derivative and integration are just the opposite, right? Now, second question states, calculate the integration of cos 3x. Integration of cos x is minus, not minus, it is plus. Integration of cos x is sin x. So, the integration of cos 3x will be sin 3x, but as I told you earlier, the coefficient of x, which is 3 in this case, will come in the denominator. So your final answer comes out to be 1 upon 3 sine of 3x. Now just to elaborate and that makes the thing more clear, I will be calculating the derivative of 1 upon 3 sine 3x, which actually I have picked up from the answer which I calculated here. See, this is what I told you is going to be the answer, and I'm going to calculate the derivative of this statement. What is this? Derivative of 1 upon 3 sine 3x is going to be 1 upon 3 as it is. Derivative of sine 3x is cos 3x multiplied by the coefficient of 3x, which is 3. So multiply by 3. Now what will happen is this 3 gets cancelled by this 3. You are left with cos 3x. So you can verify that this is what is asked you in the question. So the integration of cos 3x is 1 upon 3 sine 3x, and the derivative of 1 upon 3 sine 3x is cos 3x. Clear? Next question. The question states the integration of e power 2x. Answer is 1 upon 2 e power 2x. Basically the formula is, as I told you in the first slide, integration of e power 2x is integration of e power x is e power x. Now here if you are getting e power 2x, what you will do is you will write e power 2x as it is divided by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 2. So 2 will get featured here in the answer as the denominator. Right? Now we will be solving this question another way round. If you have to calculate the derivative of this statement. Now the derivative of 1 upon 2 e power 2x, it will be 1 upon 2 as it is multiplied by e power 2x multiplied by the coefficient of x. In the derivatives, the coefficient of x is being multiplied in the answer. So you will write 2 here. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled and the answer is e power 2x. So what we calculated from this here is that the integration of e power 2x is 1 upon 2 e power 2x, and the derivative of 1 upon 2 e power 2x is e power 2x. So this is just identical to this. So I have made you solve the integration part as well as solve it from the derivative angle as well. Now question number 4. Integration of ax plus b whole power 2 dx. What you will do is ax plus b whole power, the power gets added by 1. So it will be 3 and this power will be shown in the denominator as well. So this is 2 plus 1 as power, and here in the denominator also you will write 2 plus 1, which is 3. In addition to this, the coefficient of x, which is a here, it will get featured in the answer as the denominator. So the answer to the given question is 1 upon 3a ax plus b whole raised to the power 3. Right? The basic formula for this question is integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. Now we will be solving it from the derivative angle. What is the derivative of 1 upon 3a ax plus b whole power 3? 1 upon 3a being the coefficient of this function, it will get featured in the answer as it is. This 3 in the power, it will come in the beginning. So you write the power here, ax plus b, and this power will get reduced by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is a. This a comes here in the answer. Now if you solve this equation, this 3 gets cancelled by this 3, this a gets cancelled by this a, and you are left with ax plus b whole to the power 2. And this is exactly what is being asked in the question. So the derivative of 1 upon 3a ax plus b whole raised to the power 3 is ax plus b whole raised to the power 2. So this is how I am trying to explain you that integration and derivatives are the opposite to each other. Integration is why called anti-derivatives. Now the question number 5 states integration of sine 2x minus 4 e power 3x dx. So what you will do is you will take the integration of these two items in a separate way. Here take integration of sine 2x dx minus 4 e power 3x. 4 will come outside the integration. 4 integration of e power 3x dx as it is. So you haven't done anything. You have just taken this integration sign to the first term and taken this integration sign to the second term. Okay, now we will integrate. What is the integration of sine 2x? It is minus cos 2x divided by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So 2 comes here in the denominator. Your answer is minus cos 2x upon 2. Right? Coming over to the second term, 4 comes as it is. Integration of e power 3x is e power 3x divided by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So 3 will come here in the denominator. On solving it further, you can write minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x minus 4 upon 3 e power 3x. This is the answer to your question. Now solving it from the derivative part, what is the derivative of minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x? I have picked this term from here. I will be calculating the derivative of this term separately and this term separately. So the first term derivative of minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x will be minus 1 upon 2 will come as it is. What is the derivative of cos 2x? It is minus sine 2x multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So you write 2 here. Now on solving it, this minus sign gets cancelled with this minus sign. This 2 will get cancelled with this 2. What are you left with? You are left with sine 2x. Now the derivative of this term, the second term, minus 4 upon 3 e power 3x will be, derivative will be 4 upon 3 as it is, e power 3 ex as it is, multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is 3. Okay, now you cancel this 3 with this 3, you are left with 4 e power 3x. So we see here in the slide that if we find the derivative of this term, you are exactly getting what you are being asked in the question. Sine 2x minus 4 e power 3x. Clear? Next question. Question number 6. What is the integration of 4 e power 3x plus 1 dx? Okay. Now, you can segregate it. You can divide this integration into these two terms. You write 4 will come outside the integration symbol. 4 integration of e power 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. So this dx, you have to write it every time you put the symbol of integration. Right? Now, in the answer, the 4 will come as it is multiplied by, what is the integration of e power 3x? Answer is e power 3x divided by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So this 3 will get featured in the denominator. Now what is the integration of 1? The answer is x. Okay. One thing I would like to tell, that this c, it will just come once in the answer. Because you have two integration symbols and two dx here, this doesn't mean that you will put c twice. You have to put c, which is the constant of integration, just once in the answer. Okay, so the answer to the question on the slide is 4 e power 3x divided by 3 plus x plus c. Question number 7. Integration of x square, bracket starts 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So what you do is, please take this x square inside the bracket. So this x square is being multiplied by 1 first of all, and this x square, this will get multiplied by this term as well as it will get multiplied by this term. So you will get integration of x square minus x square upon x square dx. So this will get cancelled and the answer is integration of x square minus 1 dx. Now you please take the integration symbols differently in both these terms. Answer is integration of x square dx minus integration of 1 dx. What is the integration of x square? I have already told you x power n. The integration is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here it will 2 plus 1 is 3 and so 3 will also come in the denominator. Your answer is x power 3 upon 3. Right? Now what is the integration of 1? Answer is x. This minus sign will get copied as it is. Answer to the given question will be x power 3 upon 3 minus x plus c. Moving forward to question number 8. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So, we will take the integration symbol separately for each of these terms given in the question. Integration of ax square dx plus integration of bx dx plus c, which will come outside the symbol of integration, integration of 1 dx. Okay. So now what is the integration of ax square? It will be ax power 3 upon 3, right? Integration of bx will be bx square upon 2, because here the power is 1. You will do power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So it will be bx power 2 upon 2 plus c. What is the integration of 1? It is x. So you will write cx plus k, where k is the constant of integration. Generally, we take the constant of integration to be c, but c is already being mentioned in the question. So the constant of integration to be taken here is k. It's a very simple question. Question number 9. Integration of 2x square plus e power x. Please take this integration symbol individually to both these terms. Answer is 2 integration of x square dx plus integration of e power x dx. Now this 2 will come as it is. Integration of x power 2 will be x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So this is x power 3 upon 3 plus e power x, because the integration of e power x is e power x plus c. The final answer to the given question is 2 x power 3 upon 3 plus e power x plus c. Moving on to question number 10. What does this say? Under root of x minus 1 upon under root of x whole square dx. Now, in this question, what we will do is, you please apply a minus b whole square formula. Okay, we will be solving this term. What you will do is, it will be under root of x whole square plus 1 upon under root of x whole square minus 2 under root of x into 1 upon under root of x. So you did a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now under root of x whole square will give you answer x. 1 upon under root of x whole square will give you 1 upon x, and 2 as it is, because this under root of x will get cancelled by this under root of x. So you are left with integration of x plus 1 upon x minus 2. Now take this integration term individually, integration symbol individually to all these three items. You are left with integration of x dx plus integration of 1 upon x dx minus 2 integration of 1 dx. Now what is the integration of x? This is actually x power 1. So you will do is x power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, which will give you x power 2 upon 2 plus integration of 1 upon x is log of modulus x. I have mentioned it in the formula slide. You can check it there. Log of modulus x minus integration of 1 is x. So you will get minus 2x. This 2 will get copied as it is plus c. So the final answer to the given question is x square plus log of modulus x minus 2x plus c. Right? Now moving to question number 11. What does this say? Integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 whole upon x square dx. Now this x square, you kindly give this denominator to individual terms. Okay, you will get integration of x cube upon x square dx plus 5 integration of x square upon x square minus 4 integration of 1 upon x square. I hope it's clear. Now you please solve it. You will get integration of x, because x cube upon x square you are left with x square upon x square you are left with 1, and 1 upon x square is x power minus 2. Now we will integrate it. Integration of x is x square upon 2. Integration of 1 is x. So this 5 is being multiplied. Your answer is 5x minus 4 as it is. Integration of x power minus 2 is x power minus 2 plus 1 whole upon minus 2 plus 1, because you will be increasing the power by 1 and dividing it by the same. Your answer will be x square upon 2 plus 5x minus 4. you solve the power, you will get x power minus 1 upon minus 1. If you want to re-simplify it, your answer is x square upon 2 plus 5x minus 4 upon x plus c. So this is a very simple question. Basically, you have to make out what have you to do with this LCM. Right, in this question it's very much visible that if you give the LCM to each of the terms separately, your answer gets very simple, right? Now moving to question number 12. This states, it is on the same pattern as was the question number 11. See, x cube plus 3x plus 4 whole upon under root of x. Give this LCM individually to the three terms. What you will get is integration of x cube upon under root x plus integration of 3x upon under root x plus 4 integration of 1 upon under root of x. Now here you can write integration of what is the power in the denominator 1 upon 2. So you will get x power 3 minus 1 upon 2. Right? Here you will get 3. Integration starts x power 1 minus 1 upon 2 dx plus 4. Integration starts x power minus 1 upon 2. Please simplify the powers here. You will get integration of x power 5 upon 2 plus 3 integration of x power 1 upon 2 plus 4 integration of x power minus 1 upon 2. Now you will be applying the formula integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. So what do you write here? X power 5 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5 upon 2 plus 1. 3 as it is x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 4 as it is x power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Solve it further. 5 upon 2 plus 1 gives you 7 upon 2. So the answer is x power 7 upon 2 upon 7 upon 2. 3 x power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 plus 4 x power 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus c. Now see, this is in the denominator 7 upon 2. When it will go in the numerator, it will become 2 upon 7. You have to turn it upside down. You will reciprocate this term. Answer to the given question is 2 upon 7 x power 7 upon 2 plus 2 x power 3 upon 2. What happens here is this 3 given out here will get cancelled with this 3 here. So you are just left with 2 x power 3 upon 2 plus this 4 will get multiplied by this 2 in the denominator. Answer is 8 x power 1 upon 2 plus c. Okay. So as and when I am telling you the questions, please do them side by side. It will give you a lot of practice and better understanding. Next is question number 13. See, this states integration of x power 3 minus x square plus x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1. Now till the question number 12. What were we doing? We were giving the LCM to each of the terms separately. But now here, the denominator itself is x minus 1. So what you will do, it's a hidden hint here. Please factorize the numerator. You will be factorizing the numerator. How will you do it? This will take x square common. You will get x minus 1 from these two terms. Then take plus 1 common. You will get x minus 1 as it is. So it can be reframed as x square plus 1 x minus 1 whole upon x minus 1 dx. Now, your this x minus 1 will get cancelled with this. So basically, you are left with integration of x square plus 1 dx. Now, what is the integration of x square? It is x cube upon 3. Integration of 1 is x. So the answer to the given question number 13 is x cube upon 3 plus x plus c. See, if you visualize the question nicely, it's a very simple one. Rather than, mugging it up, you just understand that you have to factorize the numerator. Okay, very simple. Now, question number 14. This states 1 minus x in bracket under root of x dx. So, you kindly take this under root inside and multiply it by both the terms. So, you get under root of x minus x power 3 upon 2 because here power is 1 and here power is 1 upon 2. So, 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2. So this is the integration of under root of x minus integration of x power 3 upon 2. Now this will get you x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus x power 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 2 plus 1, right? Plus c. Now you solve it, you will get x power 3 upon 2 whole upon 3 upon 2 minus x power 5 upon 2 upon 5 upon 2 plus c. Just convert this fraction in the denominator. Your answer is 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon 5 x power 5 upon 2 plus c. Another very simple question. Now moving to question number 15. What does this say? Under root of x, bracket starts 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Kindly take this under root of x, multiply it to all of each these terms. You will get this 3, it will come outside the symbol of integration, 3 integration of x power 5 upon 2, because this is 1 upon 2 plus 2. This will give you 5 upon 2, right? Plus 2 as it is copied from here. Now this is x power 1 and this is x power 1 upon 2. So you will get x power 3 upon 2 dx plus 3 under integration of x power 1 upon 2, because this under root of x will get multiplied by this 3. Okay, I hope I have made it very clear. What I am trying to say is this under root of x will get multiplied by this term. Secondly, it will get multiplied by this term, and of course it will get multiplied by this term. So now you are having it 3 and integration of x power 2 will be 3 as it is into x power 5 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 5 upon 2 plus 1 plus this 2 will come as it is x power 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 2 plus 1 plus 3 as it is here x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Now you kindly solve it further. Answer is 3 x power 7 upon 2 upon 7 upon 2 plus 2 x power 5 upon 2 upon 5 upon 2 plus 3 x power 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 plus c. Very simple. Now you please reciprocate the fraction given in the denominator. Answer to question number 15 comes out to be 6 upon 7. Now how do you get this 6? See, this 2 will get multiplied by this 3. Answer is 6 upon 7 x power 7 upon 2 plus. This 2 will get multiplied by this 2. And it will get reciprocated. So answer is 4 upon 5 x power 5 upon 2 plus 2 x power 3 upon 2. When this 3 upon 2 will get reciprocated, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. You are left with 2 and plus c. A very simple question. Moving to question number 16. What does this say? 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx. Very simple. You don't need to factorize. You don't need to take common anything. So you can reframe it to integration of x dx minus 3 integration of cos x dx plus integration of e power x dx. So this 2 will get copied here as it is. What is integration of x? It is x power 2 upon 2. Minus 3 as it is. Integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of e power x is e power x as it is plus c. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled out. Answer is x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. A very simple question. Now question number 17. Integration of 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 under root of x. Please give integration sign individually to these three terms shown on your screen. So your answer is 2 integration of x square minus 3 integration of sin x plus 5 integration of x power 1 upon 2. So the 2 will come as it is. What is integration of x power 2? It will be x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So it is x cube upon 3 minus 3. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus 5 copied as it is. Integration of x power 1 upon 2 is x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Solve it further. Answer is 2 upon 3 x cube plus. Because this minus and this minus will get multiplied to each other. Answer is plus 3 cos x plus. Now here denominator is 3 upon 2. It will get reciprocated. Your answer is 5 into 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 plus c. Okay. 2 upon 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 10 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 plus c is the answer. Now next slide. Question number 18. Integration of sec x bracket starts sec x plus tan x dx. Now you have to be a little wise. in deciding your steps to solve this question. The first step, as I told you before, is to learn thoroughly the formula which I made the list in the beginning. So sec x will be multiplied by these two terms. You will get sec square x plus sec x tan x dx. Now integrate both these terms separately. You will get integration of sec square x dx plus integration of sec x tan x dx. Okay, now integration of sec square x is tan x. Okay, and integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So your final answer is tan x plus sec x plus c. So in this particular question, it is just a magic of those two formula. If you know those two formula, it's just a 1 minute thing. Now, moving to question number 19, integration of sec square x upon cosec square x dx. Now see, we know that 1 upon cosec square x is equal to sine square x, right? So, instead of this denominator cosec square x, I have written sine square x here. Okay. The second formula which you should be aware of is sec square x is equal to 1 upon cos square x. So instead of this numerator sec square x, I am writing it here. Denominator I am writing cos square x. So the formula comes out to be sine square x upon cos square x dx. Now I have to integrate this thing, right? This integration symbol will come out here. Right. Now, you know, what does this mean? Sine square x upon cos square x. This is basically tan square x. So, my question gets reframed to integration of tan square x dx. Another change which I would like to say is because tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. So, substitute the value of tan square x. You are writing integration of sec square x minus 1 dx. Now, we will integrate. Now put this integration sign individually to both these terms. Your answer is integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Now what is the integration of sec square x? It is tan x. What is the integration of 1? It is x. So your answer comes out to be tan x minus x plus c. Okay, see. Now I would like to repeat that first of all you have to reframe the given segment. You have to use these two formulae, put it in this form, then again put it in this form. There is two reframing. Now then once you get tan square x integration, then you know that we have a formula for the integration of sec square x. So kindly put tan square x in form of sec square x. So this is what we did. Tan square x will be replaced by the formula sec square x minus 1. Now integration of sec square x is tan x and integration of 1 is x. This is how you get the final answer. Now question number 20 states integration of 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. So what you will be doing is here, give this denominator separately to each of the terms in the numerator. Answer is integration of 2 upon cos square x dx minus 3 integration of sin x upon cos square x dx. Now see, this 2 will get copied here as it is. What is 1 upon cos square x? It is sec square x. So instead of this cos square x in the denominator, I have written sec square x. Okay. Minus. This 3 will get copied as it is. This sin x upon cos square x. This is basically sin x upon cos x into cos x. Now you pick one cos x from here. So sin x upon cos x gives you tan x. Now one more cos x is left in the denominator. So you replace it by sec x because sec x is 1 upon cos x. So I repeat, don't get confused. This is sin x upon cos x into cos x. See, this you can write it as sin x upon cos x, because it is cos square x na. So this is cos x 2 times cos of x in this way, right? Now this term sin x upon cos x, it is getting replaced by tan x. Now This is left 1 upon cos x. 1 upon cos x, it is written as sec x. So this is how I have reframed the question to 2 integration of sec square x dx minus 3 integration of tan x sec x dx. Now we will integrate. As I told you, the formula integration of sec square x is tan x. So this 2 will get copied as it is. Your answer is 2 tan of x. Minus 3 as it is. What is the integration of tan x sec x? It is sec x. The final answer to question number 20 is 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. Okay, very simple. Now, the question number 21 states that the antiderivative of under root of x plus 1 upon under root of x equals, you are given 4 options here. Because you are being asked antiderivative of, what is antiderivative? It is basically the integration. So you have to calculate the integration of the given question. So it is integration of root x plus 1 upon under root of x. We will be integrating separately. It will be the integration of under root of x plus integration of 1 upon under root of x. This can be reframed as integration of x power 1 upon 2 plus integration of x power minus 1 upon 2. Very simple. Now, this will give you x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus 1. Right? So, your answer is this integration sign has to be omitted from here. Kindly ignore this. So, your answer is x power 3 upon 2 whole upon 3 upon 2 plus x power 1 upon 2 whole upon 1 upon 2, because this is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, this will give you 1 upon 2. That is why you will repeat the same power in the denominator. So it is x power 1 upon 2 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus c. Now this 3 upon 2 in the denominator, it will be getting reciprocated. Your answer is 2 upon 3 x power 3 upon 2 plus. This 1 upon 2, it will get reciprocated. Answer is 2 x power 1 upon 2 plus c. So out of the given questions, given options in your book, this is option number C. So you will write, hence the correct option is C. Clear? Now the last question to the given exercise is, if d by dx f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 upon x power 4, such that f of 2 is equal to 0, then f of x is what? See, it is given that the derivative of the given question is this. What you have to calculate is f of x. Okay, so basically when you are given the derivative of a function and you are being asked that what this function is. What is this function? This is the question mark. So what will you do is, you will calculate the antiderivative of this. Only then, if you calculate the integration of this right hand side, you will be getting f of x. Are you getting my point? So the antiderivative of 4x cube minus 3 upon x power 4 is equal to f of x, which we have to answer. So f of x is equal to 4 integration of x power 3 dx minus 3 integration of x power minus 4 dx. Okay. Now, this 4 will get copied here as it is. What is integration of x power 3? It is x power 4 upon 4. Minus 3 as it is. Integration of x power minus 4 is x power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1. So this is x power minus 3 upon minus 3 plus c. Okay. Now if you see it wisely, this 4 will get cancelled with this 4 and this 3 will get cancelled with this 3. This minus will get cancelled with this minus. So your answer is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 3 plus c. So this is your function. Now you have been asked f of 2. Now given f of 2 is equal to 0. This is mentioned in the question. And now we have calculated f of x. F of x is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 3 plus c. Now what your next step will be, you put this f of x in place of f of 2. Wherever in this equation x is mentioned, you replace it by 2. So you will be getting f of 2 is equal to 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 3 plus c. Okay. Now what is f of 2? It is given in the question. It is equal to 0. So put its value 0 here. Okay. 2 power 4 is 16. 1 upon 2 power 3 is 1 upon 8 plus c. put this 0 equal to 16 plus 1 upon 8 plus c. Okay, now take c towards the left hand side. It will be c is equal to minus 16 minus 1 upon 8. Okay, you keep c towards the right hand side and you take these two terms towards the left hand side. They will change their sign. Answer is c is equal to minus 16 minus 1 upon 8. Solve it, you will get minus 1 upon 129 upon 8. Okay, now in this given function, the value of c is calculated minus 129 upon 8. Kindly put the value of c. Your answer is f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 3 minus 129 upon 8. Of the given options in your book, the third option is matching. So your answer is x power. The correct option in this case is the first part. Oh my god, this is a little, I'm so sorry. The correct option is A. Okay, so it is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 3 minus 129 upon A. So you will write that the correct option is option number A. So here we come to the end of the exercise. I hope I have made the things very clear to you. In case you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.